How to make moist strawberry cake with Jell-O. You only need 5 ingredients. Let's get started. Use 2 boxes of white cake mix. Add 3 large eggs. Add half a cup of vegetable oil. Add fresh strawberries, smashed up. Add 1 cup of water. Heat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Prepare 2 9-inch round cake pans with oil and flour. In a mixing bowl, combine cake mix, gelatin Jell-O, vegetable oil, eggs, smashed strawberries, and water. Mix well. Pour batter evenly into prepared cake pans. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes of baking time, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Cakes should cool in the pans for 10 minutes before being removed to wire racks to cool entirely. Frost the cake with strawberry or vanilla frosting. It's cake time,